Yes folks, a very beautiful good day and a warm welcome to another brand new video. Today I want to work on this Golf 5, model year 2005, manufactured on May 11th, where we're going to replace the door panel. Why? Because a lot of things are forbidden. In this video, we'll focus solely on the door panel, how to remove and install it, in case someone wants to make a video. But we'll cover several parts of it, specifically when replacing all the buttons, because here's the whole thing. Yes, and I'll show you now how to replace the door panel, exactly how it can be done. And I'd say let's get started. Actually, it's quite straightforward to remove the door panel by unscrewing it. There are two screws right here, and there's one screw on the side. We'll remove the handle by pulling it upwards, and there are two more screws located here, but not on this particular door. Here, a few screws are already missing. I hope I can still help though, or show how the whole thing here gets replaced. Or removed, to be more precise. In this case, this entire part here has either been broken or damaged. The entire bracket was broken, which is why this part is being fully replaced. Take this whole thing off here. And usually the two screws are located here. Unfortunately, they're not there anymore, but just so you know where they're supposed to be. So there should be 3 screws here. They're already gone, plus 1. 15 Torx screw. And here on the side, there's a Torx screw, a size 15 Torx screw. Now we can remove the trim using such trim removal wedges. I think it shouldn't be as tight anymore, judging by how the trim looks. There are tree wraps attached. Pull the entire thing towards yourself. Ah, now I understand what was done here. As it appears, here was door. The lighting here was, I believe, added later. Absolutely. Yes, we've taken off the door trim panel, and here you can clearly see all the clips in place. I'll show you in a moment. Here you can see all the clips. These often get stuck here, so it's best to always... New clips should be ordered when you have to remove the door trim, because they don't always come off in one piece intact. Buy link in the video description below. Then we can attach the new or a different cover, or alternatively, once again use the same one as before. Don't forget the plug. Don't forget the cable for the inner door handle. I've now taken 2 different screws this time around. We're now first installing the old one, period. But the buttons will be replaced in a separate video. So plug it in. Plug it in, and what happened here is the following. The parts were torn off. Why? Because this part wasn't removed. You can try to put it on like this. Of course not. The entire piece can be fitted in like this. And then the whole thing is placed on top in this manner. South. And during disassembly, you need to be careful to just pull it off, but it stays in place. Then pull it aside. That's in a separate video, as we're replacing all the buttons here. Yes, guys, and that's exactly what it looks like when you're removing the door panel in this particular situation. That's how it always is with me at the moment. There will be another video coming up on how we replace all the buttons, but in principle, you've seen it. There's not much more to it. Yes, important. Order the clips, period. Purchase link in the video description below. Yes, because they frequently end up breaking when you're removing them from the setup entirely. Yeah, dot. For those who don't believe it. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a subscription. See you next time. Bye.